Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has also unveiled several initiatives focusing on human capital development. Among them is an expanded apprenticeship program to benefit 300 young people over the next 2 years. They will be trained alongside industry professionals in critical areas such as construction and hospitality.
Each participant will earn a weekly stipend of $13,500 to $16,500 with a 10% set aside as compulsory savings. This approach allows our youth to build a career, support their families, and contribute to the economy, all at the same time. Madam Speaker, we will begin this pilot in conjunction with the Sandals Corporate University.
In addition, the Institute of Higher Apprenticeships will be established later this year in partnership with industry stakeholders and the Inter-American Development Bank. It's to provide advanced vocational certification for participants while they work in the field.
A young person will be able to pursue, let's say, a degree in logistics or a diploma in manufacturing through an apprenticeship track, gaining academic credentials and practical experience at the same time. Upon graduating, they will be ready to take on higher paying jobs and be certified.
Also, training will begin at the secondary school level to facilitate jobs that require skills in science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics, STEAM. $400 million is being invested to establish Hart NSTA Trust's state-of-the-art STEAM labs in technical high schools across the island. And to further build capacity, Prime Minister Holness announced the Building Opportunities for Outstanding STEM Talent Boost program to take effect April 2025. It will provide grants of up to $300,000 for Hart graduates of Level 4 STEM-related courses. The funds must be used to purchase specialized tools and software or start a business.